Are we monitoring the market? We absolutely are, but where are the rents going? What are our competitors doing? What are the rates doing? All these things are kind of coming together to this new perfect storm. It was great for years that we were able to ask really good rents, get really good income for our clients, keep property values up, being able to maintain properties because there was a positive cash flow. But now we're seeing a shift in the market, and for our clients, we want to be prepared. Hey, what's up all my real estate peeps? This is Brian Lucier with another episode of the Why Not Real Estate Podcast, Golden Nugget. And the next series of videos we're going to be rolling out, the next 4 or so, we're just going to be taking little snippets off of the 2024 fall executive summary that we just sent out to all of our clients. And I want to give you a little overview of that before I start jumping into the videos. So for the last 5 years, we've been tracking the rent trends in all the markets that we operate in. And of course, as you all know, with the interest rates low, people were buying crazy, rents were going up, property values were going up, and it was a wonderful, wonderful market to be in. So now we've seen over the past 2 or 3 years, or with COVID happening, that the market's starting to get a little turbulent, and we're seeing some trends that are causing us to pivot in our policies for putting people in rental apartments. And I'm just going to tell you a little bit about what the summary was about here. I'm not going to go all the way into detail. This report was over 44 pages long and a little lengthy to put on a video. I'm sure I put you to sleep. But I just want to go up at 30,000 feet and explain to you what it was all about and give you an idea of what we see coming on the market. So first off, over the past 5 years, we've seen changes in the trends in the rental market conditions. And these are being driven by a lot of different things. Job growth, availability, inventory, rents going sky high. We've seen it going up and up and up. And, this has caused great for people to be getting into the market. But over the last year, we do a trailing 12. So we've got the 5-year trend and then the trailing 12. And we've seen in some of the markets a slight dip. So it's been going up, 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 up. And now we've seen in some of the markets we operate in, it's leveled off. And some strange anomalies going on. And we're still, looking into it to figure out what may have caused these conditions. But we're seeing some of the 3-bedrooms and 4-bedroom units, rents are actually coming down, which is unusual. A larger unit, and we go into detail on that on the report, and we explain a little bit more. So there's some other things coming down the pike which are concerning to us as landlords and property managers. In Massachusetts, and I'll go over this in another video, there's a couple of state bills right now on the Senate floor which are wanting to seal eviction records and do debt forgiveness of up to $700 million. And I'll unpack that in another video. But for us, when we do screening, we're really relying on these state databases and tools to make sure that we're not putting in someone who's consistently not paying rent. There's a nice way of saying that. Some of the other things that we're looking at are staying competitive in today's market, and I'll unpack this in another video. What we're doing in some of the other markets that we're doing to actually make it more easy for a tenant to come in and get an apartment. And then some of the strategies that we have to stay ahead of the curve, comprehensive on compliance, Mass General Law 186, 15B, absolutely have to stay on that. The whole landscape and horizon of evictions in Massachusetts is changing, how you do all that, and we've got a couple different attorneys that we work with. And the strategy is different, and what we used to do for the past 20 years is not the quid pro quo anymore. Things have changed, the way things are being done in housing court have changed, And we have to stay up on all that. We're doing all that for our clients as well. And then a tenant-centered approach. We have two types of clients at Belaire. We've got our landlords and we've got our renters. And we really, really have to cater and focus on the needs of renters and families in this market. And it's getting harder for families to find apartments. It's getting harder for families to make ends meet. And it's getting harder to pay rent. So we're trying to come up with policies and procedures that will preserve tenants staying in apartments. Technology integration, we're trying to go as digital as possible. Even some of these videos that we've been producing for you lately, we're trying to get the word out there, trying to share this information. And if you're getting these videos and you think they're valuable or adding value to your business, then please, by all means, share them and get the word out there. We're trying to inform and educate as many people as we can as we see the market change, because we've been through a few cycles over the past 20 years. And we know that first cycle change that we went through caught us off guard, and we had to really adapt quickly to the way the market was changing, and we weren't prepared. And we'll never let that happen again, and we'll never let that happen to our clients. And then again, market intelligence. Are we monitoring the market? We absolutely are, but where are the rents going? What are our competitors doing? What are the rates doing? All these things are kind of coming together to this new perfect storm. It was great for years that we were able to ask really good rents, get really good income for our clients, keep property values up, being able to maintain properties because there was a positive cash flow. But now we're seeing a shift in the market, and for our clients, we want to be prepared. Sorry, I'm just getting over a cold. Isn't everybody? So if you're interested in possibly getting a copy of the 2024 Fall Executive Summary, just reach out to us. I'd be happy to share it with anyone. If you're a landlord and you're trying to figure out the landscape of where the market is going, we'd love to be able to help you. So I'm sure there'll be a link down on the bottom here, but if you want to reach out, we'll be more than happy to get you a copy of that. So the next couple of videos we have, we're going to drill down deeper into some of the highlights of this report. Again, we couldn't put the whole report here. There's data, there's charts, there's graphs. There's a lot of information out there. So we hope that you would find it valuable, and we hope that it'll help you to grow your rental property investing business. Again, this is Brian Lucier from the Why Not Real Estate Podcast with another golden nugget, signing off, and we'll see you on the next one. Hey, what's up, my real estate peeps? This is Brian Lucier, and I'm adding this to the tail end of the video that we just shot. Instead of you reaching out to me and having you request the Spring 2024 Executive Summary, how about if I just give it to you? So that's what I'm going to do. You're going to see a link down here at the bottom where you can just go onto that page, look at the report, download it. If you want to share it with other investors, that's fine with me. We are all in the same market, and if we're all trying to keep our market value rents up, then we all win. So there's the link down underneath. Download the report. I really hope it helps. I know it's helping us in our business, and I hope it helps you too. Okay, thanks again. Brian Lucier from the Why Not Real Estate Podcast with a little epilogue here. Just signing off, and we'll see you on the next one.